Hi Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new today. I'm just having a little fun with some makeup, doing a no lashes kind of look. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention in the video that I used the Supernatural mascara from Melt. So yeah, you know now because I forgot to mention it later. Alright, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey everybody, today I am doing like a quick little, I don't know, I was getting 60s vibes from it, but I got two new Clionadh eyeshadows, actually three, but these two I got on sale, and yeah, but I'm just going to use one for right now, well, two because of the inner corner highlight, but I picked up Crown Jewel Translucency and Illumination. So anyway, I just wanted to do something quick, so I'm going to take the Going Coconuts palettes from ColourPop Cosmetics. I'm going to just use two shades. This is pretty simple. I'm going to start out with Clionadh. I'm going to apply it into the crease. I'm going to use the Sigma liner brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with Lovely Bunch with the Sigma E25 brush. So kind of like a cut crease, but not as time consuming. So I'm going to take Clionadh on this little Sigma liner brush, and I'm going to run that in through the crease like this. And I'm just like so excited because my baby boy's over there. He can see the light reflecting off the mirror and he just wants to get it like the laser. So if I just like stop and bust out laughing, it's because he is doing the most adorable things. If he still wants to hang out with me when I'm finished with everything, I can show you my sweet baby boy. I put him on my stories on Instagram a lot. He is just so cuddly. My little snuggle buddy. Pretty simple. I'm just like mapping out the shape of my eye and giving a little bit of depth. I want to wing it out just a little because I'm going to take that Lovely Bunch shade. This is more like I don't know, I feel like it's just a nice winged out look. I've been really into doing winged anything lately. Well, this last week for sure, but I have gone months without caring if I do a wing or not, and then it's just like, now I want to do it. So that's what I've been doing. Alright, I'm going to take the Sigma 25 brush in the Lovely Bunch shade from this palette and just blend this Clionadh shade out. So I'm not sure exactly when this look is going to go up. Probably not before what I'm about to tell y'all about. But I did make an e.l.f. Cosmetics order, and both of the things have finally arrived because I did it in separate orders because I wasn't thinking. And I was like, I want to try this and this and this and this, and I didn't pick everything up, so I just bought it again. Anyway, I got some of the mint collection. I'm gonna do that, which it'll probably be up for this one. And I got that CC or the camo CC cream, which I'm super excited to try. I know I'm gonna probably go for a more full coverage foundation today because I don't know exactly what's going on. Probably my lack of sleep. I have not been able to sleep lately, but I'm pretty broken out, which may be like that sometimes. I'm going to go back into Clionadh just real quick just to brush this right through the crease. Just to create a little bit of depth because I want my eyes to look more awake and exactly like I'm getting sleep, even though I'm not. Just simple, two colors, easy blend. So now I'm going to take my eye primer on the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm just going to like map out the shape that I want this to be. So I'm just going to take it and start from the inner corner and wing it out. Okay. So, now that I had my battery to my camera die and the other one was almost dead too, and I pretty much missed the whole cutting out the crease thing, I'm going to apply the Crown Jewel shade with the Luxie Small Shader brush from Clionadh Cosmetics and just get it nice and patted down. This is such a beautiful blue. Like, you know, I got all kind of like ones that have a blue shift in them, but I didn't have one quite like this, and this is like a super like glittery, like, check it. Like, you can see how sparkly it is. Ugh, I live. Like, I just cannot get over Clionadh's eyeshadows. I've been obsessed since my first order came in, and I was like, okay, I got them. I had to wait for the stained glass collection to come in, and I was like, alright, these are really pretty. I got ones that they didn't really have like a shift to them, but they were really pretty and really glittery. And then when my ones from the stained glass collection come in, I was like, okay, I have to get more. I have to. So that's one of my wants to do things for 2021 is I would like to expand my Clionadh collection, because they have some of the most beautiful shimmer eyeshadows that I have ever used, ever laid eyes on, whatever. I really like it. And this is going to be kind of messy. You just, you know, gonna have to clean it up, but I just want to get that nice and patted down. I am going to apply a little bit with my finger because, yes, we just want to have extra. I'm not super worried about if I get it like on up in the crease or whatever, because it's just really glittery and you'll have that. So, alright, I'm going to clean this up really quick, and then I'm going to go do the rest of my face. But to clean it up, I'm just taking micellar water on a Q-tip and just winging it about like that. Alright, so I'm going to clean up the rest of it, do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. Pretty simple. I just used a little bit of the two shades that I used in the crease to do my lower lash line, just so I could cover up my creasing under eye. Lipstick, I used LA Girl Matte. I don't know what it is. It's this color. And two of their lip liners that are Cafe and Nude, so I use those. And a tiny bit of Dream Date from ColourPop. It's a whole lip combo. And Almost Natural, the Milani Keep It Full. So yeah, that's that. But the Clionadh shades, Clionadh Always, anything I've tried from them, it really just makes me want to buy more. Damn, beautiful products. Alright, my battery is yet again about to die, so I'm going to wrap it up. We'll have my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, Twitter, all of that stuff down below. If you like this video, I know it's short, I know it's weird, I know I'm kind of all over the place, but if you want to see more of my awkward shenanigans and awkward face, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!